Hello, everyone. Welcome to BORUNTE's Welding Lab. Here we will study robot welding. We also receive requests for some robotic welding applications. For these needs, we'll test it out and give the scheme at the end of the experiment. Today we received a sample of stainless steel flange welding. Argon arc welding is required for welding. Foot height 8 mm, determined after analysis. Primary welding is difficult to meet the welding demand, and secondary welding processes are required. Therefore, we propose a scheme of robotic argon arc welding swing welding, which can meet the requirements of multi-layer and multi-pass argon arc welding. In this experiment, we used 1506 6-axis robot. Let's see if the solution works. Here, an external shaft is added to the welding gun to achieve welding process swing and ensure a highly stable arc during welding process. After welding, foot height meets requirements. Weld smoothing. Fish scales are clear. If you're interested in other robotics applications, welcome to contact our BORUNTE integrator. Bye!